Ever wondered how chemists measure the concentration of a solution? They use a concept known as molarity, a key tool in the world of chemistry. Molarity, denoted by the symbol M, is a measure of the concentration of a solute in a solution. It's defined as the number of moles of solute present per liter of solution. This measure is crucial in various applications, including chemical reactions and laboratory work, and it's a fundamental concept in understanding the behavior of solutions. But how do we calculate molarity? It's quite straightforward. The formula for molarity is the number of moles of solute divided by the volume of the solution in liters. To illustrate this, imagine a scenario where you've dissolved half a mole of sodium chloride, often known as table salt, in 2 liters of water. To calculate the molarity, you divide the number of moles of the solute, in this case, half a mole of sodium chloride, by the volume of the solution, 2 liters. This would give you a molarity of 0.25 molar. What does this mean? It simply means that for every liter of this particular solution, there are 0.25 moles of sodium chloride present. So, to recap, molarity is a measure of the concentration of a solute in a solution, expressed as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. It's calculated by dividing the moles of solute by the liters of solution. And in our example, we calculated a molarity of 0.25 molar for a solution of half a mole of sodium chloride in 2 liters of water. Understanding molarity is crucial in the world of chemistry. It's a tool that enables chemists to quantify the concentration of a substance in a solution, and it's often used in stoichiometry and dilution calculations. So the next time you come across a chemical solution, remember the concept of molarity. It's more than just a measure. It's a window into the world of chemistry, allowing us to understand and quantify the concentration of solutions.